Hey guys, welcome back to another zpol unboxing, and today we're gonna take a look at another RTO product. So I did review an RTO before, around $300 range. I did like it. It's more of a kind of a warm IEM. Of course, RTO, this one is more cheap compared to what I have reviewed before. This is around 8,000 pesos or around $150, cheaper compared to your usual. So this is the cheapest RTO that I've reviewed here in the channel yet. Of course, we're gonna unbox it and give you guys my initial impressions in how this sounds like. It says RTO CRM1. This is a canal type earphone. Reconsider relation between people and sounds. Continuously seek for a new shape of sound and bring them into daily life. Feel the spread of natural sound, realism, and speaker reproduction. So speaker reproduction, maybe, yeah, that's something I can vouch compared to what I have checked out before. It's kind of like that, very natural in tonality with the previous RTO that I have reviewed. Box itself is really unique. So let's open it up. So this is your initial unboxing experience, guys. So you have that kind of foil kind of looking box overall. Opening it up, and you have that kind of recyclable kind of box, which is typical of your RTO. And you're getting a case also, really cool case. It's like a waterproof style kind of case. Let's take a look at the case first. Opening it up, yeah, it's very simple. I do like the minimalist kind of style, so that's what I like about RTOs in general. Minimalist kind of look. So here's the IEM itself, taking full advantage of brand new warp system to generate speaker like and broad sound expansion, lively and vivid presence of spacious sound, created by a combination of warp system and patented technology. So aluminum also, it says over here, so not a lot in the box. And yeah, it's cool that you have the kind of recyclable kind of box. This is your unboxing experience, guys. There you go. So you're getting the IEM right away, but let's take a look at this first. You have final E tips, which is cool. Especially in the price range, of course, you do want to have branded tips. Putting that aside, and you're getting that IEM right away. And actually, right off the bat, this is quite weighty. Definitely feels like aluminum kind of build. A little bit big, so definitely bigger compared to the RTO RK01 that I have reviewed before. Not a big issue though. It's not your minimalist kind of build. So you're getting an all metal kind of build, which is really cool. You have that accents as well, black and silver kind of accent, and you have the RTO logo as well. Cable wise, it's kind of like a mobile kind of cable. It's not the best looking cable that I have looked at. It's an L plug also at the top. Yeah, definitely this is a very thin kind of cable, portable kind of cable. So this might be their purpose here. This is more of a portable IEM. The metal is quite weighty. It feels really good in the hand. Definitely feels kind of premium, but I do like the RK01 better, the more expensive one version over this one. In terms of the overall look, because it's a more minimalist kind of look over this one, I think that looks more sick compared to this one. So let's have an initial listen in this one and give you guys my initial impressions. Of course, full review will come in the zpol channel. This is just your initial unboxing experience. Okay, so actually on the ear, you kind of wear it like an ear hook kind of design, which is pretty cool. It's quite stable on the ear. It's not the most stable fit that I've heard. Definitely your earphones with ear hooks will still be more stable compared to this one, but this is not so bad overall. Comfort is just medium, just average for me. Not the most comfortable pair that I've heard. Listening to some Lion King. Alright, so definitely it's a big sound on the ear. The soundstage is pretty big. Yeah, the soundstage is pretty big in this one. It's very expansive. Might be one of the biggest sound stages I've heard in the same price range. It's more in the relaxed presentation. It's not that aggressive sounding. It has a touch of warmth. Fairly smooth in presentation. Yeah, the presentation is more in the lush side. Vocals are pretty lush. It's quite a fun listen overall because it has a big stage. Still pretty musical. Wow, I'm liking this one. Yeah, CRM1. So I'm actually surprised with this one because the stage is really big. What might be one of the biggest stage that I have heard. So that alone is a unique selling point. But yeah, initially I kind of like the sound overall. I'm kind of enjoying it. I feel that it's different from your usual jap-fi, so there's a unique selling point to this one for sure. So yeah, that kind of big soundstage really, hit the park in this one. So yeah, even if without the review, if you're into that, this might be for you. But of course, yes, we're gonna do a full review of this one with the signatures and the measurements in the zpol channel. This is just your initial unboxing experience. I just want to show you guys how fun it is to unbox the CRM1. But this one is really cool. Of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. We unbox music stuff to tech stuff to anything that comes here in the lab, and it's just your 60 FPS iPhone only recorded unboxing and raw unboxing only. So if you're into that, of course, consider subscribing, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpol unboxing. Bye.